Greetings friends of Travel Your Own Path. Just got up to number 4 on the Ring of Kerry, the Kerry Cliffs. You can buy a card just down at the car park there. It's 10 minutes from Portmagee driving, and basically it's €4 per person to come in, and this is the view you get. So yeah, we just came up there by roughly 10 minutes from Portmagee. And I keep saying this in most of the videos that I should definitely get a strap for the GoPro Hero 6, because if I drop it it's over. But here, look, there's the view. You can just see there as well, there's boats coming back in from Skellig to Portmagee. They're on the way in here. Just walk up to the top there as well. They've all different birds here. The shag, the peregrine falcon, great black tail gull, or black backed gull. The views are insane. And usually you can see Skellig from roughly around here, but it's cloudy today. You can't get a good view of it. So unfortunately I can't show you that. But look at that, guys, like, it's insane. And I was saying about the Cliffs of Moher, you know, that like they're, you know, really popular and everything, but I mean, these are overlooked. The Kerry Cliffs are absolutely overlooked. So if you get a chance, come here. You don't really have to pay the €4 if you don't want. You can just walk up the road, but if you want parking and stuff like that, secure parking, then just pay the €4. If not, just walk up a little further and walk out towards the cliff. So, but do that at your own risk. It's not I'm not telling you to do that. I give you one panoramic from here, and then I'll walk up to the other side. That guy likes to stay here, guys, the puffin. Okay, so we just walk over to the other side now. I'm going to try and get a view of the opposite cliff. There's a lot of seagulls that nest here as well. And excuse the sound, guys, if you can't hear me, great, it's because there's wind. So I'd say it should be okay though, it's not too bad. But when I get up the other end it will be, so just bear that in mind and bear with me. Portmagee Bay, just over there. So really travel your own path, guys. Just do whatever you want to do, you know. Get out there, start shooting. Anything where you can find your adventure, just do it. You know, get out, explore, go and see. And go and do. Can't really get a great shot now, but I will be able to in a second there when I walk up to the opposite side of the cliffs.
It goes, well, we went all the way up to where we used to ride up to Edchester and over there.
Some more of the cliffs. And it says danger, please for your safety keep back. Yeah, I'd recommend that too. You don't want to fall down there. And here it says the Puffin Island. In summer, thousands of sea parrots nest on the island's grassy top. They arrive in April, spending time at sea looking up at the cliffs as if gathering courage to land. After rearing their single chick, they leave it in the burrow on the top of the cliff until hunger drives them to walk or jump into the sea. That's that guy. These views are insane, guys. Look at that, look. And I've been here once before, but I actually haven't been up this direction because it wasn't open. This is going back like 4 years ago, something like that. I actually, I've never been up this side, so I'm looking forward to that. And it looks like you can look off the backside on the left as well there. And I hope my battery holds out for this, guys. I'm pretty low battery, so we were just over on that end a minute ago. We'll head up to the top now. The top of the left side. So if you're walking up from the car park, we just went up the right, but now we're heading up the left side. So guys, I'm going to shoot another vlog here now in a second, so for this one just stay tuned for the next one.